Love ni Mrs. would like to thank the following: Zago Pearl Shake, Minute Burger, Twist and Fry, Sweet Corner, Scramble King, Minami Home Appliances, Needs Binalot sa Dahon, Fry and Pop, Lily's Peanut Butter, Fernandez Bakery, Skin Specialist and Nail Spa, Island Rose, Nikon Home Appliances, Olive Sea.
Alright, Taray, oras na para sa super duper closing.
So, what can you say about moving on?
Ay, siguro sabi ko di ako iyak. Ikaw na lang, Tatay. Sabi ko di ako nakakaiis kayo. Sabi ko di ako iyak eh. Sick pa naman ako. Hindi. Siyempre, lahat naman ng start, may ending, may beginning. So, before we really do the super duper closing, no, before we say goodbye, not goodbye, maybe see you again, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Jimmy for giving us a show together. It's a different experience. Mas mahirap pala pag ikaw yung kasama. Parang naman tayo hindi magkikita, pero no, syempre iba pagka we're in the house. Syempre hindi ka naman host doon. I don't know, it's just a fun experience. I'll miss working with you, Tatay. I may see you every day, but working with you is really fun experience. Your corny jokes, we'll miss that. And yung pagkaluma mo, we'll miss that too. Marami ako mamimiss sa'yo. And because of this show, marami din ako natutunan. Marami tayong fun episodes. Marami tayong fun segments. Sa mga staff naman, marami ako mamimiss, Tatay. Lahat talaga kayo. Siguro mas iba yung attachment ko sa show na to kasi this is us. This is our show. And I'm proud to say na una tayo na nagkaroon ng talk show. Marami na rin nagulantang na show. Nang dahil sa atin na hindi ko naman in-expect, you know, when we said yes to this show, wala naman tayong ibang hinangad kundi magbigay ng masayang umaga sa kanila. You know, we wouldn't have, wala naman tayong mga what do you call this, mga pretensions, wala kaming put-ons. What you see is what you get. This is the real Carmina, this is the real Zoren. So sa'yo lang. Naglitan niyo na ako, no? Ikaw na, Tatay. Thank you, Jimmy, for giving this chance.
And I'm very proud to say na itong show na to, maraming natuwang tao. And when I go to the mall, they would say, love ni Mister, love ni Mrs. Nakaka-touch yun, honey. And hindi naman mag-work to without this talented group, honey.
Palakpakan po natin yung napaka-talented, napaka-dedicated staff ng Love ni Mr. Love ni Mrs. Hindi ako mag-goodbye sa inyong lahat. I would rather say, I'll see you again soon. Masaya! Let's all be happy. Move on. Thank you, everybody. Ito na ang The Elusive!
Okay! right, thank you.
Thank you everybody. Thank you po sa ating live show audience nandito. Thank you and
We'll see you some other time.
Right, goodbye everybody. Miss ko tong song na to.
Anong uso, anong hindi? Sinong bida, sinong hindi? Who's who, what's cooking? Malalaman na nga natin. Parang sa magazine, tingnan mo what's on the scene. Malay ba natin, swerte sa ating rayo. Love me mister, love me Mrs. Tutok lang sa TV.
This portion was brought